Here at ArmorThane, our truck bed liners offer a durable, skid-resistant, impact-absorbing, and attractive solution for protecting your vehicle. But to protect your vehicle, there has to be a trained technician to apply the ArmorThane coating. In this video, you will be trained on how to do just that. Turn all appropriate machines on 30 minutes to an hour before spraying your first bed liner. At ArmorThane, we care about our customers as much as they do about their vehicles. Oh, that reminds me, always make sure your customer understands what bed liner they will be getting applied. Ask under or over the rail. The ArmorThane bed lining application process can be summed up in 4 steps: masking, scuffing, spraying, and unmasking. To keep yourself safe, ArmorThane recommends you use these items: gloves to protect your hands, any kind of dust mask while cleaning with acetone and while scuffing the truck bed, eye protection when using acetone and while scuffing the truck bed, as well as ear protection while scuffing the truck bed. When spraying the vehicle, you will be using a fresh air mask and coveralls. To fully prepare your work cart, you will need acetone to clean surfaces, clean work towels to wipe away debris, masking tape and trim tape to make a border between what is sprayed and what is not. These lines will be called primary tape lines, masking paper to cover the rear bumper and back window, and cling plastic to cover the car to protect from overspray. When scuffing, you'll specifically need a grinder, scuff wheel, and scuffing pads. Masking ensures the safety of the truck's paint as well as the windows from overspray. A pre-cut 36-inch piece of masking paper will be evenly laid out where the tailgate will sit. The tailgate has to be removed before the masking process can begin. To remove the tailgate, open the tailgate at an angle and unhitch the cables on either side. Slightly pull to unhitch the tailgate. Sit the tailgate aside on a piece of masking paper. Remove the access cover to perform future repairs on the tailgate. Elevate the access cover in its original spot onto blocks. This allows you to spray the tailgate and access cover separately. All surfaces that will be taped are cleaned with acetone. Pay close attention to the edges where you will be masking. Line the tailgate with masking tape. This allows you to easily tape the masking paper to the tailgate. Tape down masking paper that will protect unsprayed areas. Line the entire perimeter of the truck with masking tape. This allows the plastic to be taped down that will be draped over the truck bed, creating the defining border between what is sprayed and what is not. This process will change depending on the style of bed liner you will be spraying. With the truck bed masked, drape plastic from the front to the rear bumper. Check to make sure that the vehicle is completely covered by plastic. Cut away any excess plastic covering the truck bed. Masking tape will be placed to secure the now trimmed plastic. Cover the rear end of the vehicle using masking paper and masking tape. Now that you have made your primary tape lines and designated where you will spray, it is time to scuff the truck bed. Scuffing. This step involves scuffing the truck bed in such a way that the spray adheres to the bed's surface. To scuff is to pretty much sand a surface. The surface that will be sprayed needs to be scuffed down. Do not scuff till you see bare metal. If you have, paint these areas with primer. Begin scuffing the tailgate with scuff pads. Make sure you go around the edges. This also scuffs hard to reach areas of the tailgate. With a scuff pad. One last acetone wipe ensures no white residue is left behind on the truck bed surface. Check this by running your hand over the scuffed area. There should be no white residue. Trim tape is the last step in prepping the vehicle to be sprayed. It is a thin masking tape with a wire inside that makes unmasking a breeze. Trim tape will be applied to the tailgate opening as well as the tailgate. It is placed above the masking tape already on these areas. The most important part of the unwrapping process is trim tape placement. Now that the truck bed has been completely scuffed and cleaned, it's time to spray. Spraying. The truck will be coated and textured in high-quality ArmorThane polyurea. The truck bed surface will be sprayed 3 to 5 times depending on the surface area. When spraying any surface of the truck bed, make sure you are about 3 to 5 feet away. Tilt the tailgate first to ensure that the lining sets correctly. The coating sets in about 3 to 5 seconds. Be sure to evenly spray under the truck bed rails. This is to ensure that no paint is visible underneath the rails. Now, move on to the bulkhead. Once you are done, spray each wall of the truck bed. The last part of the truck bed to be coated is the floor. When spraying close to the bulkhead, make sure to angle yourself enough so that you are spraying the truck floor at a 90-degree angle. This can be achieved by stepping up onto a step stool or small ladder. Spray the liner back and forth, left and right, moving towards the truck bed opening. Once you are halfway done, hop off and continue spraying around the floor. Starting at the top of the bulkhead, repeat the floor coating process one more time. Once the coating is set, remember it doesn't take long, 3 to 5 seconds is all. It is time to texture the truck bed surface. Make sure there is about 7 to 8 feet between you and the surface that will be textured. When texturing, you'll want to quickly move your spray gun back and forth. This movement allows particles of the polyurea to fall onto the truck bed. Frequently check the bed to ensure an even texture. Now that the truck bed has been fully coated and textured, it is time to unmask the vehicle. Unmasking, pulling trim tape, reassembling the tailgate, and a quick tip on how to touch up a tailgate fast and easy. The first step to unmasking is finding trim tape ends. Pull the wire away from the truck bed with a steady, controlled motion. This step should not be rushed. Take your time. Make sure all masking products are removed with a steady, controlled motion. Here's your quick tip. A butter knife can be used to remove masking tape. It's strong enough to remove the small tape pieces, but too dull to damage the truck's paint. The bed liner is completed once the bed has been fully unmasked and the tailgate has been reattached to the truck. The truck can be returned to your customer the same day it is dropped off, but you will need to make sure that the owner of the truck knows the liner can only be used for light to moderate purposes for 24 hours. These are just a few examples of light to moderate uses you can explain to your customer. Also, let the customer know that the truck bed will be virtually 100% fully cured after 24 hours, allowing the owner to use the liner as they wish. The protection that the ArmorThane bed liner provides is limitless, and the liner itself will last a lifetime. For additional information, you can call 1-800-227-2905 or visit us at ArmorThane.com. At ArmorThane, we not only protect your truck bed, we protect your world.